Hello, welcome to the weather update. It is 11:30, June the 1st, and the radar is deciding to do its own thing again, but you can see there is the rain right there moving through. Some showers, we've seen some thunder, heard some thunder here. Nothing severe, just a lot of rain. And there's been some flash flood warnings in some areas of central, looks like parts of Passaic County in New Jersey with flash flood warnings because there's been a lot of rain that has fallen across the area. Here's another look at the radar, and you can see some real heavy stuff out over the ocean there. And again, this is all part of a stall. This has got a little bit of like a warm frontal boundary moving through our area here. You can see there's another line of showers and thunderstorms that may affect us later. So rain chances continue through the night tonight. Let's look at the lightning. You'll still see there's some lightning out there. So those severe thunderstorms. The main thing is just the rainfall. That is what we are dealing with. If we go to the underground site, which is what we'll do now, you will see the current conditions across the area as far as temperatures go. And it was a cool day today. It's pretty cloudy all day long. Upper 50s, low 60s. You can see maybe some warmer air off to the south and the west. That's where the warm front sort of is right there. You can see right around Philadelphia the temperatures start going up. Now let's look at our rainfalls right now that we have so far, because we have gotten quite a bit of rain in some parts of the area. In central Nassau, we got 0.8, about a half an inch, I guess, but you can see 3/4 of an inch. And then look at this. Some of these areas in the South Shore, 2.36 inches. So when these thunderstorms came, they brought some pretty heavy rain. And so we see over an inch here. Long Beach, too, over an inch rainfall amounts. That's why there's some flood advisories. You head out Suffolk County, not as much rain at all. And then you head west. This is where the numbers go up. I think if we go into those areas that are under that flash flood warning, into New Jersey, you'll see 1 inch plus amounts, 2 inch plus amounts, 2.5, 2.96 in some areas, so closing in on 3 inches in some parts of New Jersey where these heavy rain is. So again, this is the main threat with these storms, is the heavy rain. Go further south, and not much going on in Toms River as far as rainfall goes. So again, mostly western parts of Long Island, the city, Hudson Valley, and northern New Jersey getting a lot of this rain, and that also goes into Pennsylvania as well, where they've been seeing a lot of it around Scranton as well. You can see 2.52, so a lot more rain than expected with these storms. They're, just main big rain producers, basically, is what they are. Looking at the other map that we have here for you, looking at Islip right now, it's 59 with a dew point of 59. So you can see, we'll take a look, show you what the day was like at Islip. We'll go over the highs for the day, and you will see throughout the day, temperatures are only in the looks like we only got up to the mid 60s today. Earlier on, though, it looks like it was 70 earlier. So it was 70 at Islip earlier. I guess it did manage to hit 70, but then it dropped into the mid 60s. I guess the sun did try to come out over there. We were cloudy all day here in Nassau County. I didn't see any sun at all. But here you can see the dew points generally in the 50s, coming up a little bit tonight with the moisture from the rain. So we'll go over and look at our highs across our area today. And then we've got to go over the month of May as well, our climate. So we're going to look at that as well. So you see, this really tells the difference here. So here you go, highs on Long Island, generally mid-60s to around 70. But anyway, if you look at this. Look at how much hotter it was in Jersey today. 79, unless that high was last night. I'm wondering if those highs were set last night. So let's just put this back to the current observations here, and we'll see if those highs were set last night. If not, that's really impressive. So let's go and look at Lakehurst and see. I think those temperatures were from last night, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, no, it was cool all day out there today. They were in the mid-60s generally. But that high, those temperatures were set around midnight last night. So let's go look at the month of May and look at our climate here, and we'll see if they Weather Service put together a graphic for us. Probably not. They probably did not put a graphic together for us. doesn't look like it. So let's go here. We go to the local past weather, monthly weather summary, and we'll start with ice slip for the monthly summary for May. So May, the average maximum high was 70.3. That was the observed value. The normal, 68.3. So we're 2 degrees above normal with that. Average minimum, 53.2. Normal is 50.8. That gives us a mean of 61.7. Normal is 59.5. So we're around 2 degrees above normal, a little over 2 degrees above normal here for your, again, this is, we were above normal again. No surprise. Also, precipitation was above normal, 4.24 inches of rain for the month. Normal is 3.28. So that's what it looked like at Islip. Now we're going to look at Central Park. Central Park, normal high. The average maximum high was 72.1. Normal 71.4. Average minimum 56. Normal is 55. So the mean is 64. And the normal mean is 63.2. So almost a degree above normal. Not quite as much of an anomaly for Central Park, but anyway, ranging between 1 and 2 degrees above normal generally. Oh, the precipitation. Right, I almost forgot that. I lost that. We got to go back. Precipitation. Or we had it. Where did it go? Well, we had it. Now we can't. Oh. Yeah, we lost the monthly weather summary. I don't know what happened here. There it is. So precipitation was 4.52 inches. Normal is 3.96. So they were above normal also with precipitation at Central Park. Sorry, a little tired. Just too much today. So let's now go and look at the models now that we got that out of the way. So warmer and wetter than normal in May. So let's go over what is going to happen now over the next 48 hours or so. All right, so HRRR model, 0Z, and we're going to look at this, and you'll see that area of showers there. It's all part of a little warm front moving through here. Tomorrow will be warmer. And we should be, the rain chances should diminish by morning, but then we're going to see more rain move into the area probably around 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow with this wave of low pressure and the cool front coming through, or I say cold front because it will be a decent air mass behind it. You'll see some showers and possible thunderstorms that we'll have probably starting from like 8 o'clock to around midnight or so, and then it starts clearing out, and then much better weather for your Friday. With this high pressure building in. All right. Looking at your dew points, you'll see that the humidity will be coming back up because we have this warm front coming through. So you can see that's where the backdoor front is right now, but you'll see the warm air go in here. South winds go to south, and we'll see dew points rise back up to the mid 60s with the humid air coming in. And then for Friday, you'll see here comes the cold front sweeping through. In the late morning, early afternoon hours, we'll see the dew points drop with northwest to west winds behind that front. Looking at the temperatures, you will see here that for your Thursday, it'll be a little warmer in Jersey, probably maybe a little close to 80, mid 70s on Long Island. And then for Friday, we'll have mid 70s, but the dew points will be lower, so it'll feel a lot more comfortable out. So let's look at, we'll go a little beyond that and look at the weekend here on the GFS. We have the 0Z in, but it's not enough of it in. So here we are at this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Look good, mid 70s. And we'll have low dew points on both those days. So you look at the dew points, they'll be low. Look at that. Nice, very dry on Saturday. Very comfortable. Dew points in the 30s, so that's really nice. But we have to get through this humidity first. You can see clearly there's the backdoor front. Warm front moves through. The humidity comes up tomorrow, and then cold front comes through later on. And it does come through in the morning, but it takes a little while for the cooler air to get in here, drier air to come here on Friday. So let's go to the skies. Obviously, we got plenty of clouds tomorrow. Friday, we'll probably start off with clouds, and we'll see more clouds later, less clouds later on. This is the GFS, I'm aware. Saturday looks like a nice clear day, and Sunday we may have some high clouds around. Let's look at the RGEM, which is a higher resolution model. This is the 0Z RGEM, so we're because I'm running a little later tonight. You'll see there might be some breaks tomorrow where the sun might try to come out, but more or less plenty of clouds. And then for Friday, starting off with clouds, and then later in the afternoon, we'll see some clearing skies. And then look, I don't know what this is about. It's trying to push clouds over us on Saturday. That I don't understand at all. So that may just be some kind of issue with the model. We'll have to see. In order for clouds to push in like that, you would need a northeast to east flow. So I would have to actually look at the wind direction here, which does show an easterly flow, interestingly enough. So I don't know why that model is doing that. It's an outlier for sure. So let me go to the Vent2 Sky. We're going to look at a few parameters for thunderstorms as we head into tomorrow, because that would be our next chance for rain, heavier rain perhaps. Looking at Cape levels, we do see some Cape levels, 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, see some. Nothing dramatic, but I do want to look at the Storm Prediction Center and take a look and see what they have for us for tomorrow before I wrap up this weather update. Obviously, see that marginal risk extending into Jersey. But let's look at tomorrow here, because it looks like tomorrow that we are close by to a marginal threat over, looks like central New Jersey, down to right around Toms River, and then south of Toms River, you're going to have a slight risk. So we're going to have to watch this and once again look for the possibility of some severe thunderstorms perhaps. And again, we still have thunderstorms out there right now with heavy rain going on right now. If you look at the radar, you'll see here we have this batch right here that is off to the south of us. This will taper off, but like I said, there's more where that came from. If we once again go and look at the radar here, you will see that there is another area over here that's going to eventually move into the area as well. So this is all, again, part of this warm front. You can actually draw it out right here if I wanted to. Got your warm front right over here. Just about right over here. So this is going to be coming on through, bring an increase in humidity, and then the cold front, which is back here, will come through Friday morning. So we'll get through it, and at least it won't be as brutal as it was yesterday. Yesterday was hell. Anyway, that's it for this weather update. Take care, and thank you for watching.